Hello, Da Vinci. Welcome back. So we're back on our science now. This is our lesson 2 for this week. So our learning objective is, can I identify features of a planet? Right, and your second learning objective today is, can I hold a pencil with the correct pencil grip? We're going to be concentrating on how we're holding our pencil in this lesson, okay? So today's lesson is all about drawing the solar system on a smaller scale, one which shows exactly how different in sizes the planets are from each other. So first, what we need to do, let me just move this text down so you can see it. First, we need to draw the solar system. In this week's YouTube playlist, so all the videos that will say week beginning the 11th of January, Da Vinci, all those videos for this week, I'm going to put this video in there so you don't have to go into the description to find it. It will also be in the description if you find it easier to use that one, but it will also be in the playlist, okay? And this video is going to help you draw the planets in proportion. Now, what does proportion mean? So proportion means making it to a scale, not to the scale, because the scale you wouldn't be able to draw because it is so big. Now, otherwise things can look a bit silly. So we know that some planets are bigger than other planets. Now, if we didn't draw those planets as being bigger, then it wouldn't look right. Just like it doesn't look right that this banana here is bigger than a watermelon, because we know that these bananas would be smaller, and this watermelon really should be the biggest picture, and this banana should be smaller, because that's how it looks in real life. Now, just like that, it would look very silly if we drew Earth as the big banana and we drew the sun as this small watermelon. That wouldn't make any sense. So that's why this video is going to really help you in drawing out the sun and the rest of our solar system. Now, one of the things that you need to remember is this person might use some oil pastels and things. With that doesn't matter. I just want you to see how we can draw it like this, and then we can get them not only in the right order, but we can also get them using the correct size of how they should be. So we can see that Earth is a little bit bigger than Mars and Venus, but it's definitely smaller than Jupiter, definitely smaller than Saturn, okay? So that's how we're going to do it. So I want you to draw this. Then what I've got is, once you've finished watching the drawing video, your challenge is, on a separate piece of paper, I want you to write facts about each of the planet. Now, your challenge 1 is to write 1 fact about each planet, challenge 2 about 2 facts, and challenge 3 about 3 facts. Now, I know this seems like a similar activity that I asked you to do before, but looking at some of the posts that we got some facts only about some of the planets, not about all of them. So I want us to now, either you can use some of those facts. It'd be good if you challenge yourself to find different facts. And I want you to find facts about all of the planets in our solar system. You're not writing it on the same drawing sheet. You're doing it on a different sheet. This activity should not be rushed. I'm not expecting anybody to be putting this up in the first day that we set this. That's not my expectation. My expectation is that you'll have the whole week to complete this, because you need to concentrate on drawing it correctly so that you can understand that the planets are different sizes and they do look different from one another. If you've got colouring pencils, you can even colour them in. That'd be fantastic. Now, we're going to be watching this video again to get these facts. Now, again, this video is going to be in the playlist for this week, so you don't have to go and find it elsewhere. And I know it's the same video and you've seen this video, but I'm not sure that everyone watched the whole video all the way through from last time. And I also think that some of us need to get used to watching things again. Like our story map, we learn the same thing again so that we get really confident in the facts, because some of us are not remembering the facts correctly. So you need to be doing some super listening whilst watching this video, and I look forward to seeing your work. So I'm expecting everybody to produce something that looks a little bit like this. Doesn't have to be perfect, but this is what I'm asking you to do. And with this video, you can pause and you can draw, and then you can play, and then you can pause it again. And then I'm expecting another sheet following your challenge about 1, 2, or 3 facts for every planet, not just for 1 or 2, for every planet. And then you're going to be presenting that work onto Tapestry at the end of the week. Thank you very much. I look forward to seeing all your work on Tapestry. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye, Da Vinci.